Good evening, guys. I'm going to show you today interesting stuff in Primavera. Uh, how to use the option called Summarize Projects. Where you can find that, go to Tools. Um, so you can see here the option Summarize. So you can summarize the open projects. So you can summarize the old projects or summarize. You can summarize only projects that applies to your requirements. So, okay, let's see how it works. What is the benefit of um, having set the project to be summarized? Okay, let's take this example. Right, we have a project on transportation in this EPS node. So we have a project phase 1 southbound. And you can see here the project start is 12th of June 2006. The project started and the finish date is forecast finish date is 1st of February 2008. So if you open this project and you can see that the project has been scheduled as of 1st of August 2007, right? So okay, let's schedule it once more and right, go to the project window and you can see in this EPS view, the project view, again you can see the start date is 12th of June 6 and the finish date is 1st of February 8. And now let's do uh, summarize projects. All right, click on, okay, you can, what you can do is right click on the project that you select and click on summarize project, and it asks you summarize data for the selected project and click yes. Okay, you get the message summarization of data for the selected project was completed successful. Okay, click OK. Right, now you go to the activity window again and you close this project. Right, you close the project and go back again to the project view, and again you'll see that as of the data date when you schedule the project and press F9, and in the summary you can see all this information for start date and the finish date. It's the same, right? Okay, so now you go back to the, okay, now you open the project again, right? And you schedule this one into a different data date. So I'll choose the next month, first of the next month, so which is 1st of September 2007. Select that date as the current data date and do a schedule, or you can press F9. All right, now you can see the forecast finish date has been moved to 5th of March 2008. All right, okay, so now the project is in open state. You, you open the project and go back to the project view, and you can see this information here. The start date is doesn't change, and the finish date it shows as 5th of March 2008. So what happens if you don't summarize after doing this change? All right, let me show you. So okay, go back to the uh, activity window and you close this project. Yes, and go back to the window. See, so in the summarized project, in the summary table, then it still shows you that the project forecast finishes 1st of February 2008, which is for the previous data date. And it has not taken the updated information. Why? Because after doing the change and after scheduling the project for a different data date, and we did not summarize the project again. And in this summary table, it still shows the previous data. So what we have to do in this case, you need to summarize the project again after every single change. So go back to the project and right click on that, click on summarize project and click yes. All right. Okay. So then it gets updated. All right. That's what happens uh, when you do choose the option to summarize the project. But keep in mind that whenever you change the data date and or do some changes, and you have to summarize the project again and again, and then that's uh, then only it will show in the summary level that the information has been updated. So the start date and the finish date, and even you can have some other information in the project view. So all the information gets updated, but you need to summarize the project after every single change. And what is the benefit of doing uh, some choosing the option summarize the project? And uh, once you summarize the project, actually it um, rigorously it reduces the size of the files that it is sitting in the database. So it consumes a low space or the low memory in your Primavera database. All right, and when you show the information in the EPS level, and especially for when you're going to calculate the KPI, that it really helps that you have this summary information at the EPS level. All right, you don't you actually save some memory from your database by doing the summarization for the project. And once you open the project in detail view, and it consumes uh, more memory than when you're at the summary stage. And so when you work on number of projects in different EPS nodes, so this is a really good option that you can summarize the information, and you go to the EPS structure and you can get the information you need. Right. So that's how the project summarization works. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you can use this technique for your projects or your program. Especially, this is helpful when you're in a program management environment rather than just monitoring, managing a single project. All right. So see you in the next videos, guys. All right. Thanks very much.